What's going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to talk about cryptocurrency fraud and scams. All right, so we are at the beginning of a bull run by all accounts, and when that happens, all the scams and different things come out of the woodwork. So be on the lookout for these scams out there in the crypto market. They're still rampant. They're easy to manipulate beginners, and we need to educate people on what is a scam and how to prevent scams and just what to look out for. But before we do so, let's take a look at the markets real quick. So Bitcoin has been going sideways now for days and really months. It's been just like kind of slowly going up and down. It's almost weird. It's kind of eerie how just stable Bitcoin has been. Is it a turn? Is it a turn for how Bitcoin's going to be, or is it just who knows? I mean, I obviously the whole virus thing has something to do with the way markets are reacting. Although altcoins have been popping off here and there. So if you take a look at Cardano, they've been moving up some. Chainlink has been on fire, getting up to I think 840 the other day, dropping down to about $7 or so just yesterday, and today it's back above $8 and in the top 10 once again. Link is on fire, and I think it's going to continue to do so. Tezos has also been showing some nice movement forward. If we look at the lows for the day, any major drops, let's see, you're 29%. This Ample Fourth, never heard of it. I know Aurora kind of made its way into the top 100, going 360 some percent just the other day. Obviously a pump and dump, but the big movers over the past few days has been Chainlink. So, all right, let's get into some news here. So, a Texas man allegedly uses 1.1 million in COVID-19 relief funds to buy crypto. Now, I know it's tempting as hell to use money to throw in crypto, knowing that you're going to get some gains, especially 1.1 million. But is it worth the risk? After getting caught, I'm sure this Texas resident says no, it's not worth it. He was charged by the U.S. Attorney for the Southern District of Texas on July 14th. Allegations suggest that he fraudulently filed loan applications for $1.1 million through the Paycheck Protection Program, PPP, and he claimed he was seeking COVID-19 relief, but used the funds to purchase cryptocurrency. So he lied in applications, and he said the money was received on behalf of Texas Barbecue and another company that he said that he was running, had multiple employees, and just completely just lied. Whether or not he actually owned these businesses, I'm guessing he probably did, but didn't need $1 million worth of funds from PPP, basically stealing from people who actually needed it. And he was putting it into crypto. So he put $956,250 into his Coinbase account through 5 wire transfers. So, that probably threw up some red flags right there. And he's probably going to definitely do some time for this. He's only 29 years old, and it's not looking good. So yeah, Texas Barbecue, and the other business was Houston Landscaping. So big trouble there for this person, Joshua Thomas Argires of Texas. So he committed wire fraud. Don't do it. Just don't do it. It's not worth it. It's tempting. We all know that the markets are going to pop off here over the next year, 2 years, and it's just not worth it. So the next story, OneCoin. So OneCoin is the Ponzi scheme that has been running for quite some time, and it was finally brought down about a year ago or so. And two of the promoters of this exit scam, OneCoin, have been found dead in Mexico. So they were major promoters in Latin America, and they were found suffocated, strangulated, and put into suitcases and basically dumped. And not good. It's the promoters. At this time, at the point these guys entered, it was already an exposed scam. It's not like they got in as innocent affiliates not realizing, and then all of a sudden found out it was a scam. They got into it knowing it was a scam, and it eventually cost them their life. So the Bulgaria-based firm purportedly still remains fully operational to this date, despite investigators' allegations that it raised 4 billion euros in a Ponzi scheme. Earlier in July, a Singaporean man was found guilty of operating OneCoin and was fined $72,000. Basically, a slap on the wrist for this. So yeah, OneCoin, just another Ponzi scheme that ruined two people's lives who probably helped in ruining other people's lives who invested in this. I'll leave a link to the story down below so you can take a read. So a couple other scams I'm going to get into real quick before we close it out. Forsaj. I'm not sure if you've heard of Forsaj, but basically it is a gifting scheme. And people are making a ton of Ethereum doing so. It was recently identified as a scam by the Philippines, and sooner or later it's going to be recognized in the US as not being registered with the SEC, and also just being a plain out scam. There are influencers on YouTube, on Facebook that are promoting this scam, which is Forsaj. Yeah, it looks enticing because it's like these massive gains of Ethereum, but is it worth it in the end? It isn't. If you don't think it's a scam, I guess we'll see in time. It's just like BitConnect. It's like OneCoin. There's always going to be the people that say it's not a scam and give you 100 reasons why that a lot of times aren't even valid. But Forsaj, it's going to be closed down soon. Just wait and see. All right, so another scam that is going on right now and has been going on for quite some time are these live streams from people like, it says that it's Charles Hoskinson. It's 100 million ADA giveaway. It's a complete scam. It's just don't, any of these live ones that say that people are giving away coins, that the owners are giving, that the owners of the company of, like, let's say Cardano or XRP are giving away coins. It's a scam. Do not click on them. Report them to YouTube. I see them every day. You may not see them on a phone, but desktop you will see these scams right here. And then also BitBoy Crypto covers it in his latest video, but basically there's a scam going on where these scammers are running ads in YouTubers' videos, and you can't do anything about it. So other than report them. So they're running on legit crypto YouTube channels. They're running it as an ad. So not good. Hopefully this stuff gets caught. Hopefully these people get caught. Scams and fraud are no good. There's plenty in the crypto space. Just be on the lookout. Be careful who you follow. Be careful what you what you promote. Be careful what you buy into. It's a crazy world out there in the land of crypto. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you need a free affiliate marketing course, if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing, in the comments down below, there's a link for my free affiliate marketing course. No strings attached. We'll see you soon.